Alright guys, welcome back to Ham Shack TV. I'm your host Josh AA4WX, doing it live right here at the Dayton Hamvention. I wanted to get some of the SPEC5 guys on the show here, but frankly this is one of the most busiest booths in Dayton Hamvention, so unfortunately won't be able to get them on, but I wanted to show some of the new products that they have available. As you can see, Daniel's down there teaching. But they've got this guy. This is the co-pilot. It's a middle attachment for a drone. $139. You can put your drone up in the air. Of course, legal limit is 400 feet. Get your drone up 400 feet and use it as an aerial node. They also have here at Hamvention the Ranger Magnum, the Beacon XL, the Trekker Bravo, as well as the Trekker Delta and the Spectre. And right here you can see the solar node. I don't know if you guys saw in my video whenever I put the solar node up, but this is what it looks like up close. So inside this little weatherproof box, you have your lower node right there. Of course, here's the solar panel, and then you got a really nice antenna on it. These things are fantastic. They're available on SPEC5's website. There's a link down in the description down below. Sorry for the bumps, guys. I'm just working with what I got here. There's a link down in the description of the video. Go check it out. Appreciate y'all checking out SPEC5. So that's it for this one, y'all. I know it's a short video. Crowded spaces, crowded times. Live here from the Dayton Hamvention, Xenia, Ohio. 73's AA4WX, WSCB 693.